So today, let's make a creature of fantasy. Here is a few sketches of a flying turtle, which I did this morning. So let's start. Let's do a frontal view of the turtle first. Then we'll worry about the wings later. It's a bit easy to do this. It's just a top half of a circle. Then a few more circles and a few more circular things going on around it, like the wings. And I think that's it for the draft. We just put a few more details in, like the eyes, the nose, the tail. The tail's position may not be that good, but this is a design, so that's how exactly it will look like in a frontal design position. So, of course, in a more compositional manner, we can't just draw it like this and present it. It's not very presentable. It is just anyway, let's draw a side view just to see why that happens. Okay, so that's probably how it will look like. And if ever I will use it in a comic book, it will not be drawn exactly frontal. A few angles will be done. But anyway, I'm using a software called it's actually a basic app on Android. If you buy an Android tablet, you will have this app on default. It's called Sketchbook. Sketchbook? Yes, I think so. Anyway, I think that's all for my talk. Please do continue watching the video, and I hope you learned some. I will just color it and complete this illustration. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, and have a wonderful day.